In this video, we'll demonstrate how to map your template to your practice management software, add general and section instructions to the template, and style your sections. To map or configure your template to your practice management software, go to the Settings on the top right-hand side and go to Integrations. Here you can select to configure to EasyVet, Instinct, Vetspire, AVImark, Impromed, or Cornerstone. To add general instructions for the entire template, like use medical terminology only, you can go to the Settings and click General Instructions. If you wanted to have the template generate a verbose or very detailed note, you can select verbose mode. You can also add section instructions as well. Section instructions only affect the specific section and doesn't affect the entire template. For example, if you wanted your subjective section to only include information that the client provided, you can go to the section, click on the Advanced, and go to Section Instructions. These instructions only affect the subjective, but none of the other sections. Next, to style your notes, you can go to the Settings and click on Styling. Here you can use the toggle buttons to select what styling you'd want for your entire template. For example, if you want your abnormals bolded in uppercase, we can definitely do that for you. However, if you wanted to style individual sections rather than the entire template, you can click on the Advanced button at the top right and select the sections you'd like. For example, physical exam, bolded and colored. Click Save Configuration. You can also go to the section you'd like to have the individual styling by going to the Advanced icon in the section and go to Styling section Styling. Thanks for watching. Hope you have fun styling your template.